Araneta. I'm Jessa Beloy
of Qatar News and Current Affairs. Headline.
เป็นเป็ดแล้วจะบิน เป็นคนหูหนวกแล้วจะเล่นไวโอลิน เธอจะบ้าเหรอ ทำไมไม่ไปเรียนวิชาอื่น เสียเวลาคนอื่นเขา
จบไปแล้วอย่างสวยงามนะครับสำหรับผู้เข้าประกวดคนสุดท้ายของเราในวันนี้นะครับและในช่วงต่อไปก็จะเป็นช่วงของครับเรายังเหลือผู้เข้าประกวดอีก1 ท่านนะครับในวันนี้เราไปพบกับเธอกันเลยครับ
Miss Irene Junior Hermosa, live at Panabo City Public Market.
I am here live at Panabo Public Market to know what are the current market prices of stock products like rice, chicken, meat, spices, and food, which are needed in our daily living. Magkano na po presyo ng ating Friday?
The minimum price of our meat now is 170.
Mahal po ba ito or ngayon lang?
Hindi siya weekly, hindi siya
Itong
sa isang pieces, isang piraso, bali, nag-count siya o isang 5 cents. So, sa isa ka pa, 30 cents.
Ito ka ba yung lakas ng dito? Sa ibang panahon po ba? Sabay panahon po ba? Kuya, sa panahon po natin ngayon, ang presyo po ba ng bigas ay nagmahal?
Hindi na.
Steady na po.
Taas na ang presyo niya. Steady sa taas wala pa na po.
Ito po ba ay, bilingual po ba or ano lang? Panandalian lang po.
Hindi. During sa harvest season, taas ang pababa ang presyo. Pag wala ng harvest, taas ang presyo. Seasonal.
May tanong ko lang po, ano po pinakamabentang putos niya? Mangga, magkano po? Pero wala akong mangga ngayon. Kapayan niya. Magkano po bang kilo na niya ng mangga? By season po ba ang pagtas ng presyo? Yung iba by season, hindi pa rin po. Hindi makapareho. Meron din hindi. The recent market prices of our market products are in steady way. I am Irene Junior Hermosa for Katag News. Back to the studio.
A girl committed suicide at Lasang Overpass. Mr. Teodoro Miliano, live.
I am here at the Lasang Overpass where a girl at exactly 2 o'clock in the afternoon committed suicide. Many saw the incident. A girl named AKA Ella accidentally took the video of the incident.
A girl accidentally took a video of an obsessed girl jumping off the overpass. Suddenly, a woman came in recognizing her as her friend. The woman cried.
Ingon ko siya sa kuha nga magpamamatay daw siya niya. Kung malula ko nag-expect na, tinutun niya niya. Pagkakuta ko tiri, huli ng lahat.
Teodoro Miliano of Katag News. Back to studio.
Plaza of Panabo City has been renovated. Mr. Adrian Isidro, live.
The park of Panabo City has been renovated. It's been so long that we Panabuans aiming for this day. As the park, it should be a place where people can have recreational activities.
Plaza renovation is ongoing. Job of labor workers in the museum and Plaza of Panabo City. Workers are working hard to finish the job beautifully. The government is establishing another project where the culture and history of Panabuans can be seen and will be refreshed in our minds. We can see the large statues of banana with has
This in our park can help people in our society also have a thing. This is Adrian Isidro of Katag News. Back to studio.
Universities increase their tuition fees. Mr. Teodoro Miliano live at Davao del Norte State College. Universities are increasing their tuition fees. We are here at the Davao del Norte State College. Even the most affordable schools in Panabo is increasing their tuition fees.
Tuition fee increase, it has both positive and negative side. On the positive side, is the tuition. We have tuition fee increase, we can increase money, we can produce a lot more money. So with that money, we could buy new technologies that could aid the teaching skills of the teachers. Just like, for example, projectors and laptops. Through this, it can consume less time, right? Just like If we use the traditional system like writing in the blackboard, it consumes more time. If we use laptops or projectors, if the teacher could deliver the lessons or the planned lessons. And on the negative side, if we can somehow give headache to the students, especially to the parents, because nowadays where global crisis is, we are suffering from global crisis. And if the tuition fee hike, it can happen that some students that can have the ability to study now maybe can stop next year if the tuition fee will increase because their parents cannot afford it. Well, I think tuition fee increase
Flow of the traffic from Panabo City to Tagum City and Tagum City to Panabo City. Miss Maria Teresa de Asis Blackboard. You can see the road at my back. This road is going to Tagum City. Motorists going to Tagum City, please be careful in driving. And you are suggested to go on with your trip because the traffic is light. At the left side, that road is going to Davao City. It is also light, so motorists going to Davao City, please go on with your trip. And to all the drivers, please drive safely. And please do not drive your drunk. Bread prices at Bake Shop in Panabo City, Miss Kimberly Olson on cam. Ate, paano naapektuhan ng pagtaas ng presyo ng mga pangunahing sangkap sa paggawa ng tinapay ang inyong benta?
Naapektuhan talaga siya, malaki yung epekto kasi mahirap kumbaga ruling. Kasi pag mahal, hindi ka kung pag less yung yung sales, of course, less din yung, hindi madaling mag-rolling kasi, hindi kaya, kaya hindi siya dali mag-rolling kasi mahal ang mga main na ingredients. So, kailangan, tapos ang mga tao, manita o mga plus, example, sa 7 for 20, 5 plus, or 5 for 20, so kailangan i-maintain. So, mahirap talaga for us to mag-rolling.
The top bake shops in Panabo said that the weight of the top seller bread like pandesal and munay will be decreased due to the increase of the price of the main ingredients in making bread. The prices of some breads like munay, star bread, and ensaymada cost 5 pesos each, but if you buy 5 pesos, you will only pay 20 pesos. Pandesal is 1 peso each. Bread is still bought by the consumers even if it was reduced. Pinoys like bread because it is an alternative food aside from rice.
SK Business outing, one of the SK councilors almost drowned. Mr. Chidoro Similani Jr. live.
Shocking news! The Credo SK official had an outing in White Sand Beach.
SK Councilor Janela Tenoria was caught in the act almost drowning. When his concerned co-SK Councilor Arjun Isidro and Renel Alimasag swam towards him. Arjun lured Janela to safety and brought him to the seashore. CPR was made to save him. Thankfully, just in the nick of time, Janela was saved.
Kira ka daw? Kay mama ni mo. Kay mama ni mo daw. Ano ka? Baka ang mga good.
Isidoro Similiano of the Pad News, back to studio.
Gasoline condition in Panabo City, live with Mr. Reynel Alimasag.
The gasoline increase. We are slightly updated about what is happening in Indonesia, which is one of our contributors of oil products in the world market.
Gasoline diesel cost 52.87 pesos in every liter last week. Last Tuesday, it was increased by 2.36 pesos per liter, causing it to 55.23 pesos. This was because we are affected about the war in Libya. In consuming your gasoline wisely, in driving, your speed must not go over to 40 to 60 km per hour. When you have no important trips, you just let the engine of your vehicle shut.
Sir, wala namang pagtaas ngayon, sir. Nakikita ko sa mga customer namin, okay lang sila. Meron namang nagsasabing, apektuhan sila sa pagtaas ng presyo kasi mahina lang o hindi lang masyadong marami ang sumakay sa kanilang sasakyan. Saka medyo mataas pang gasolina at saka wala namang sumasakay, so ang kanilang kinikita ay kulang lang sa panggasolina. At sa amin naman dito wala naman kaming masasabi sa kanila dahil nagtatrabaho lang kami dito at saka naghihintay lang ng mga bildo para lang meron kaming pagbili ng kakailanganin namin. At yun lang, sir. Maraming salamat po, sir. How to conserve electricity, Ms. Maria Teresa de Assis on call.
The Department of Energy urges people to conserve electricity for future supply of the next generation. The price of the energy supply increases compared last year. Our natural resources will be disrupted by the different typhoons and creating our area of responsibility. We must learn to conserve electricity.
Naman sa kusina and then you're not using TV, put off the TV. Dili nyo ginagamit na light, you put it off. Or, like for example, dili nyo dunganon, you would not use simultaneously appliances requiring mga datong current, for example, aircon and electric stove. Basically, willingness na to conserve. For example, naamon sa isang area, yun. But when appliances are not in use, you put it off. Or, depende po siya sa weather. Kung one siya, cold siya, basically, kung magamit ng aircon. Or kung pwede lang siya, kung ventilated in your house, electric fan lang. So, it depends on the customer willingness to all the versions.
Unvisited beautiful places in Davao with Princess Marisa Balik on town.
We are here live at Kilometer 24, Bunawan, Davao City. Here we can see the shape of the city. As you can see, it is surrounded by mountains. That's why it's a lesser cyclones anywhere else in the Philippines. And back of me, you can see the famous Samal Island. It is famous for its diving spots and white sandy beaches. And further, you can see the famous Davao Oriental. It is also famous for its strong beaches and sunsets and famous nightlife. As you can see, this place has everything, and is located between Lasang and Tibungco. You don't have to travel far or spend a lot of money just to have a great place to relax. Places have been found, places have been discovered, just like we discovered this place. So what are you waiting for? Come and be amazed by these amazing sights of Davao City, Philippines. This is Princess Marie Cabales for World News. Back to studio. The Campus Report, live with Geraldine Zeta.
Ronilo Rizamonte, candidate for president, spoke about how he will do to handle the school when he wins. Last March 2, 2011, a meeting de avance was held between the ACP party and student party. The students listened and interact attentively to the speakers. Last March 3, 2011 was the election day. The students exercised their right to vote. The results end up with the ACP party president candidate Ronelo Rizamonte and Vice President Mr. Montifolca and the rest of the senators winner.
Sir, what can you say the vision plan for all the students? We have platforms.
They are good, all good.
These are the four. Number one is inform and music set.
whoever
Because we believe that we as students are not, our learning is not only inside the four corners of the room. We have to involve our parents and I as students.
hindi
And then,
trabaho ng
first, to create camaraderie among others. So, isang pag-dili ta, isang pag-education ta, dili na maka-create o parang mag-dapat job between one another. So, dapat as one student or a student here in USCP, dapat magkaisa ta, dili sa kanya-kanya. So, once again, I am Jovelyn Amadora. Don't forget my name is
you believe
tomorrow.
kapag
Because tomorrow is the election day. So once again, I am Jovelyn Amadora. Tumatakbo ko bilang
Weather report. Dry your clothes under the heat of the sun because you will experience a sunny day. A mix of windy and cloudy will also be experienced. The temperature is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Enjoy the rest of the day. Well, wala. Well, wala. Well, wala.
ha? Go? Go? Weather report. A low pressure area was in Palawan.
Sige pa! Ipalita ka lang!
Lan, unsa na? Okay na boys! Okay na!